Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and installing the official PC remote app on both your laptop and phone. Once done, enable network access and sign in with the same account on each device so they can authenticate. Make sure Windows Remote Desktop or the app's host service is running. On Mac OS allows screen recording and accessibility. This step gets the secure link established, which is why you must set a strong local password and check firewall rules before moving forward. You now create the actual connection. Open the remote app on your phone or second PC and add the laptop using its device name or local IP address. Once added, choose display and resolution settings to balance performance versus clarity. Lower resolution if lag appears. Configure input preferences so mouse and keyboard behave as you expect, and turn on clipboard sync and file transfer to move content seamlessly. If needed, set a persistent connection for faster reconnection later. You finish by testing the remote session for audio, video, and input responsiveness. Perform a quick task like typing and playing audio to confirm. Once satisfied, secure the session with two-step verification and note your fallback access method. If performance drops, close heavy apps and switch to a wired network or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If the connection fails entirely, restart the host service, verify the laptop's IP and account sign-in, and check firewall or router port blocking as the primary troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.